Motorcycle crashes and curves often result from a combination of factors. Here are 3 leading causes. Number 1, excessive speed. Riders may enter a curve too fast, making it difficult to maintain control or stay within their lane, oftentimes running wide, going off the road, and having a crash. Number 2, improper cornering technique. Failing to lean correctly or misjudging the curve's radius can lead to loss of balance or traction. Number 3, road conditions. Hazards like gravel, wet surfaces, or uneven pavement can reduce tire grip, especially in curves. Staying mindful of these risks and practicing safe riding techniques can help prevent accidents. So what are some safe riding techniques to help you get through curves without crashing? Riding safely through curves requires a combination of good technique, awareness, and preparation. Here are some tips to help you out. Number 1, adjust your speed before the curve. Slow down before entering the curve to maintain control. Use both brakes smoothly and avoid braking mid-curve unless absolutely necessary. This is especially important for beginners just starting out in the twisties. Number 2, choose the right line. Position yourself to see as far ahead as possible. Start wide at the curve's entrance, move toward the inside at the apex, and exit wide again, often called the outside path. Using this type of line through curves is crucial for not running wide and potentially having a head-on collision with another vehicle. Number 3, look where you want to go. Keep your eyes focused on the curve's exit or the furthest visible point, rather than obstacles. This helps your body and bike naturally follow the correct path. And like I always tell my students, point your nose where you want to go. Number 4, lean with the bike. Use counter steering to lean into the curve and let your body follow the bike's angle. Don't fight the lean, as it's necessary for stability. Learning counter steering is one of the most important beginner skills, as it allows you to properly and intentionally push forward on your grip, cause the bike to lean, and be able to safely navigate curves at road speeds. Number 5, be ready for changes. Watch for road hazards like gravel, wet patches, or uneven pavement, and adjust your speed and lean angle accordingly. You always need to be scanning ahead, looking for any changes in the road so you can make adjustments ahead of time and stay safe. Number 6, maintain a steady throttle. Avoid sudden accelerations or decelerations while cornering. Instead, apply smooth throttle control to maintain balance and traction, and keep your motorcycle's suspension nice and stable while leaned over going through a turn. Number 7, practice, practice, practice. The more you practice cornering on safe, empty roads, the more confident and skilled you'll become. And if you don't feel quite ready to get out on the roads and try this yet, find a big empty parking lot and practice endlessly in that safe, controlled environment until you get that confidence and skill dialed in. Safe and confident riding comes down to preparation and awareness and tons of practice. So what about you? Are you looking to enhance your current riding skills or just learning the ropes? Let us know what stage of the journey you're at in the comments below, and share any advice you have with other riders so we can all be safer on the roads. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. But what if there's some other challenges holding you back on your motorcycle and you're not sure where to begin? Well, then watch this video next to learn 10 motorcycle tips I wish someone told me sooner. These tips will not only help you get better, but progress a lot faster and save you tons of wasted time and energy, and potentially some big injuries as well.